Dear fellow Indonesians, today we stand proud as a free nation, celebrating 79 years of independence. On this day, 79 years ago, our nation stood up and declared its independence.
It is not just freedom from colonial rule, but the birth of a nation built on the values of unity, courage, and resilience.
Our independence is more than a historical event. It is a living legacy. It reminds us that our freedom was earned through the sacrifice of those who believe in a better tomorrow.
It is a call for us to honor the legacy by working together to build a nation that reflects the values of unity, justice, and equality.
As we celebrate this memorable day, let us remember that the struggle for independence is not just a chapter in our past, but a responsibility we carry into the future.
Let us continue the journey of our ancestors, standing strong in our commitment to make Indonesia a place where every dream can be realized and assure the prosperity for all. Happy Indonesia Independence Day!